we will discuss the techniques and find out the core part of the question. Let's read this question carefully and collect the given data. I will solve this in two methods because sometimes we think that we are finding out this question in this way, why not in the second way? So I will use two methods. So let's start the question. A car travels at a constant speed from A to B. Constant speed from A to B. Okay. A distance of 300 km apart. Its mean distance, total distance is given. If the driver increases the speed by 5 km per hour, the journey will take 2 hours less. Find the original speed of the car. So that what is the given data? Distance is given. (300 kilometers) and time is given, speed is also given. So increased by 5, its mean speed is x plus 5. Okay, time is also given, is t and t minus 2. So this is x and x plus 5. Okay, so original speed is x, so time is t. However, other speed is x plus 5 and time is t minus 2. Okay, so recall your previous knowledge. I have only in my mind is distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. So what is the basically core part? Because distance is given, okay, speed and time is have imaginations. Okay, so we have two choices. First choice, or I would say first method, is I find out with speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, so if speed is x, then distance is 300 kilometers and time. Similarly, speed is x plus 5 is equal to 300 upon t minus 2. Right? So x plus 5 is equal to 300 upon t minus 2. So what is x? We know, because why we are putting the value of x? Because two variables cannot find at a time in an equation. So we are removing speed and we are finding out the answer with respect to time. So 300 upon time plus 5 is equal to 300 upon time minus 2. Okay, now we can solve this easily. We should take LCM. T 300 plus 5t is equal to 300 upon t minus 2. So now take cross multiplication. 300 plus 5t into t minus 2 is equal to 300t. So now multiply this. 300t minus 600 plus 5t square minus 10t is equal to 300t. When we will arrange, this will cancel and the equation is 5t square minus 10t minus 600 is equal to 0. 5 is common, t square minus 20, this is 10, 2t minus 120 is equal to 0. So the equation is t square minus 2t minus 120 is equal to 0. So I am using calculator and I will get the value of time. T is minus 10 or t is equal to 12. So minus 10 will neglect. So time is 12. So what is the speed? 300 upon 12 is equal to 25. So if the driver increases with 5, x plus 5 is equal to 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. So this is the required answer. Now I solve this in second method. Okay, so I have only formula distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. So in the previous method we find out with respect to speed and now with respect to time. Distance upon speed. Okay, so t is equal to 300 upon x and t minus 2 is equal to 300 upon x plus 5. Okay, so what is the value of t? T minus 2 is equal to 300 upon x plus 5. So 300 upon x minus 2 is equal to 300 upon x plus 5. So LCM is x. 300 minus 2x is equal to 300 upon x plus 5. So cross multiplication. 300 minus 2x is x plus 5 is equal to 300x. So in the next step is 300x minus plus 1500 minus 2x square minus 10x is equal to 300x. So 300x, then we will move, it will cancel. Minus 2x square minus 10x plus 1500 is equal to 0. So minus 2 is common. X square plus 5x minus 750 is equal to 0. I will use calculator, and then x value is 25, or x is equal to minus 30, so it is neglected. So if speed is 25, the second speed is 30, so it is the required answer. So I hope you will understood best. Thank you so much. Please subscribe this channel, like this video and comment. Thank you so much.